Hi, I'm Katie with WTI, and as you can see by this sink full of dishes next to me, clean mind you, I spend a lot of time in the kitchen. So anything that helps me save time is definitely appreciated. I have started saving time in the kitchen by using this Fullstar 4-in-1 vegetable chopper, and it's become my new best friend. We go through a lot of potatoes and onions. I love making soups because it's winter, and chopping those up takes 20 to 30 minutes with the amount that I use. Well, I was able to cut up 5 potatoes and an entire onion in just 5 minutes with this chopper. And they're not just chopped, they're perfectly chopped. Everything is exactly the same size, the size that it needs to be. I love it. It comes with 2 different sizes for chopping and dicing, but as a bonus, it also comes with a spiralizer and a spiralizer that does ribbons. What is also great about this is look at all of the pieces fit inside it when it's not in use. So you can put it away in your drawer and not have to worry about searching through drawers and cabinets trying to find the one piece that you need. And it also comes with cleaning utensils. I'm so excited to have this. I have already saved hours in the kitchen just by using this, and I know that you can too. I really think you should get one of these. You're not going to regret it. And that's my point of view.